know has been written by the victor. So I ask you now, who is it writing your future? The butcher, the liar, the thief or the killer? The freedom died quiet in the halls of power. Starve for peace, we'll lead a war until it kills us. 6 feet deep with a belly full of bullets. Fear rolls like a reaper through the streets of the lost. In the eyes of the storm, the truth drops like a bomb. The truth drops like a bomb. The battle is on. They put a price on our soul like they had already won. Now open wide, I see the jaws locked tight. Time in the moment light, playing the floodlights. They sing of the static, baptized in fire. Now we see how they talk with a mouth full of barbed wire. Absolute hell. Absolute hell. Absolute power. Absolute power. Corrupt times are coming. Absolute power. Absolute power. Absolute power. Absolute power corrupts the true trafficker. The true drops like a bomb. The battle is on. The true drops like a